Hello, how y'all doing? I'm going to demonstrate how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble a Sig Sauer P229C 40 caliber magazine. Push the insert on the bottom and carefully slide the floor plate off. Remove the insert, spring, and follower. I clean the inside with a mag swipe. This is a magazine cleaner shaped like the inside of a magazine. All four sides, corners, and hard to reach areas are easily cleaned. Once it's clean, make sure it's dry. You don't want to leave solvent inside. Clean the follower. Make sure it's dry. Clean the spring. It's so important to keep these magazines clean. Gunpowder buildup prevents ammo from feeding smoothly into the chamber. Misfeeds and jams eventually occur if you don't clean these. Once it's clean, make sure it's dry. Clean the insert and floor plate. Dry them off. Mag swipes are also excellent for cleaning the mag well, as well as the inside of the frame and slide. To reassemble, insert the follower, then the narrow part of the spring, attach the insert on the bottom of the spring, hold the insert and spring in place, slide the floor plate back on. This magazine is now clean, reassembled, and ready for use. I hope you found this demonstration to be helpful. For any questions, comments, concerns, or to purchase mag swipes, please visit our website at magswipes.com. Thank you for watching.